called transformations, okay? Now, there are 3 types of transformations. Everybody write this word. Transformations. That's the word I want you to write at the top. Transformation. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you 3 of our words that we use, and then I'm going to tell you the mathematical word that they use. Okay? So, for example.
Is this one hard too? Example.
For example, okay, if I slide an object, okay, and we're going to look at some objects in just a minute. If I slide an object without turning it, if I just slide it, do you know what it's called?
Yes, I know this one time.
Oh, you do? Tell me what it is.
Like,
do you remember what it's called in math? Okay, that's okay. Translation.
Translation.
I've done this before.
So let's take the letter F, for example. Okay? There's my F. And if I slide it, it just literally slides over. So it would end up looking like,
So it'd be a transformation.
whoops, that would be an E. That would be an F. Now I know I didn't do it congruent, and what does congruent mean?
Same.
Exactly the same, okay? So, because I am a human, I have error, I didn't draw it perfectly. I'm not a computer, okay? Or God, for that matter, okay?
That one
So,
looks bigger.
I know. So this is just sliding the F here, right? So slides are called what in math? I know that doesn't make sense because we're not in language class, so
Yeah,
don't know.
language.
Okay, so the next one is called flip.
oh, I know how to flip. I love flip.
Okay? A flip in math is called a
Translation.
reflection,
Reflection.
which we kind of get this one. Okay, so let's take my F, and if we were to put a mirror right here,
It would be the other way.
what would it look like?
Yeah,
The other way.
You're exactly right. It would look like,
spit an image, but the other way.
okay, sorry. It would look something like that. It's not congruent because I'm not perfect, okay? But this is a reflection in math. Does everybody see that? How's my video doing? Can it get it? Okay, good. Now, the last thing I want you to see in math is a turn.
Turn.
Okay? And a turn in math, thank you, Levi.
You can see.
A turn in math is called rotation.
Rotation.
Okay, so these are the words we use when we're just in our language. In math language with transformations, it's translation,
Turn like a
reflection, and a rotation. So watch what happens. I'm going to show you F. Okay? I'm going to put it over here so I'm going to open my video and get it. Okay? So here's an F, like we've been drawing so far. Okay? And when I rotate that F,
It's gonna be upside down.
I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees to the right. And guess what it's going to look like?
It's gonna look like that. Whatever you're drawing.
No, it's not.
Does everybody see?
Yes.
I just rotated it. It was sitting up like this, and I went,
Awesome.
okay?
Like a 90
If I rotated 180 degrees, it would go boom, boom. And it would end up looking like that.
That's a really good help for an upside
Isn't that cool?
down.
Okay? So these are rotations. Boom, boom, boom.
If we went 200 degrees angle, it would be that.
Okay, now what they're going to say is to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. What are they asking you to do?
To go like all the way around.
So if I've got my hand and I want to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, which way am I going to turn it? To the right or to the left?
The right.
Very good. So watch one rotation, 90 degrees. Boom. Right? What if I said counterclockwise?
This way. Opposite.
Boom. Very good.
90 degrees. Is counterclockwise left?
The opposite way of clockwise.
Which way is clockwise?
I don't know.
Counter means opposite.
So is that
What is
left
what
or
is
right?
clockwise? Which way is clockwise?
Counterclockwise?
Clock is just like a clock goes.
So counterclockwise
Would
is
be
left.
this way. Okay?
Counterclockwise is right.
Okay? So, everybody put this number on your sheet. And I want you to turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise.
It would be like this.
Wait, what?
Yes. Turn this 90 degrees counterclockwise. Counter.
If I hear like an artist or something that sounds like another one, I'll like
Okay.
say counts.
You should have something that looks like an M.
An M?
Or a W.
Uh-huh. Because when I take this 3 and I turn it counterclockwise, it looks like this.
McDonald's.
90 degrees?
90 degrees.
down.
If I went clockwise, it should look like a W. Okay?
Oh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. That is your lesson. They may ask you to take like figures like this, and they may tell you to slide it. Okay?
What do you do? Move it?
You would just slide it. Yep. You would just put another one right there.
Oh.
Okay? If they told you to reflect it, what would you do, Garrett? This one right here. Let's say A, B, C was right here. How would I reflect this?
You just like
Yes? Okay, I see what you're doing with your hands.
opposite.
Is this what you would do?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What would this angle be? A, B, or C?
C.
Well, this one's A right here. What would this one be? A. What would this one be?
B.
B. And what would this one be?
C.
C. Very good. Does everybody understand that? So you would draw and make sure you're using A, B, C. Okay, everybody understands?
Wait,
Let's
what's
do
this one?
one more. Let's say I had this and I told you to turn it 90 degrees clockwise.
Oh, it would look like.
This may help you to actually take a triangle
How do you
that
do
you
it?
draw. Just a
It
minute,
looks
darling.
like a ramp. Like
Hey, raise your hand because I'm trying to talk. Okay? So it may help you to draw one of these and cut it out and actually do it. So if I take this and I turn it 90 degrees clockwise, can anybody see what it's going to look like?
I do. I need I don't understand or I like see. through
That's what
math
it's gonna
on
look
the
like.
lesson practice. It's
Right?
Mhm.
Look right here. Is that what it's going to look like?
Yes.
But you still have to put your A, your B, and your C in.
I
Everybody
have a
understand?
question.
Yes.
I'm kind of confused. Like it doesn't say what to do on C through F on the lesson practice.
Yeah.
It says like name the transformations.
Yeah, they're just telling you from A to B what happened.
What is number F though?
Shh,
Nothing does
just a minute. What from A to B on letter C? Look at letter C. There's an A and a B triangle. They're saying from A to B what happened.
Flip.
It flipped, but in math it's called a.
Reflection.
Very good. Does everybody understand what to do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alrighty, y'all are done.